Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I am going to show you how to make looping YouTube videos. So let's start the video. First of all, like the video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to go to your editing app. I'm using InShot for editing. If you are using another app, you can also open that app. After doing that, you have to go to your video that you wanted to loop video, that you want to make it a loop video. You have to select from your gallery for the shorts video. Like loop video is very interested and people keep watching it, and your views of getting a chance are higher because they know where the video start and where the video stop. They want attractive, so loop videos are very attractive. So let's start it. After selecting the video, short video from your gallery or photos anywhere, you can select in your editing app. Here you have to go at the end of your video. You have to cut 3 or 2 seconds of from the video at the end. From the end you have to cut 3 or 4 seconds. After cutting it, you have to duplicate from your editing app that clip, duplicate this clip and manage this clip on the start of your video, like on the screen I'm doing now. You can see last clip and the first clip are both same. This clip should be short. So this is the easiest way how you can create looping YouTube videos. So now you can see on the screen there are two same videos of 2 seconds on the screen from starting to the ending. So starting and ending will be same for the looping videos. This is the method how you can easily create looping videos in your editing app. So hope so friend you like this video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for the more updates like this. This channel got a lot of informative videos for you. Stay tuned for the more updates. Now you can see I create a looping video. This is the method how you can easily create looping video, and now you can easily save this. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon.